Well, we got this here ceramic heater that we've had for a number of years. At the end of the season last winter, the heating elements wouldn't come on. So I'm going to make an attempt to dig into the guts of this thing and see why the heating elements are not coming on. I want to get this thing up on the bench first, get the model number off of it, that sort of thing. I gotta shut the garage door all the way in. Kitty's in the house. We got storms brewing, winds blowing in here. It's making my shins cold. Alright then, now it's time to do some research. See what we find out about this deal right here. I take it back. I think what we're first going to do is plug it up and see if manipulating this thing we somehow magically fixed it. Cooking in there? Hello? It no getting warm. Bad. Probably quit working because it got tired of being so dirty. Smells like an old people's house. I have to think about this for a bit. It's pretty good thinking juice. Alright, now we really do have to get the iPad out, do some research. What the hell? Look at this. You reckon he's comfortable over there? You see that glowing red back in there? There's 4 of these bulbs in this unit. You can see 2 of them are still out. There she goes. Fan kicked on. Woo, we got heat. So there's 4 of these bulbs. 2 of these are broken internally because I put the ohm meter on them and got mega ohms or open circuit. These 2 were closed circuit. They had like 5 ohms on them. And what apparently happened is you've got the 4 bulbs. Each of them have their own power input from this side. On the other side, they're daisy chained together. These 2 are daisy chained, these 2 are daisy chained. I believe what had happened is a bulb had burned out on this section, and then a bulb burned out where these 2 are getting together. So then I had no heat. So to prove that theory, I took the 2 good bulbs, put them together where they're ganged over on the other side, and boom, they're both illuminated. You got heat coming out. Good times. However, to get maximum heat out of this apparatus, we're going to have to get 2 new bulbs. That's going to be the fun part. But the YouTube videos and research I did didn't help a whole lot. I just followed the guidelines on here and just intuition and general troubleshooting techniques, and developed a theory, proved the theory, and voila, we got heat. And over here on this other side, you see what I talk about where they're ganged together. These are the 2 that are ganged together working. These are the 2 that are empty currently. And I believe what had happened is, like I said, 1 bulb here and 1 bulb here had blown out, so we had no elements working whatsoever. Now with at least 2 good bulbs together, we get 500 watts of heat instead of 1,000 watts of heat. Better no heat, I guess. So now what I'm going to need to do is clean this up a little bit better, probably get the air compressor going maybe tomorrow. Then we'll run the cat off. Blow this all out real good before I reassemble everything. Maybe dig around on the internet and see if I can find 2 new bulbs for this thing, and we'll have heat again. So if you like this video, well, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. We thank you for watching, and please tune in again. Off.